Modeling with algebra, question 10. Joy is 3 times as old as Raman. After 5 years, some of their ages will be 52. Find their ages. So you know how to solve these kinds of problems. We've already done 9 of them, right? So first thing we should do is define variables. Since Joy is 3 times as old as Raman, we can define Raman and Joy in terms of Raman's age, right? So we can say let Raman's age be R. Then Joy will be 3R, correct? So that is how we are going to define our variable. And then after 5 years, their ages will be plus 5. And when we add them, we get 52. And then we can solve the equation to get the answer. Well, I'll suggest that now you can stop the video, follow these steps, find the solution, and then check the answer, right? That'd be great. Here is an alternate way of solving the same question. This time what I will do is make a table and show you how to solve similar questions in a different way. So I'm making a table, and this table we have, I hope it's a simpler way because it gives you a visual look of what we are trying to do, right? So in the table we say, well, we're talking about 2 people. One is Raman, let's say Raman, and the other is Joy. So these are the 2 people. And what are we interested in finding? Well, we know it's about their age, right? It's about their age. So let's make a column and say present age. Present age. And let's define a variable for Raman. So let present age for Raman be R. Then Joy will be how much? Joy is 3 times as old as Raman, so it will be 3R. Correct? So we got in this table Joy's age and Raman's age, correct? Now it says after 5 years, sum of their ages is 52. So after 5 years, so let's make another column and say, well, this is for after 5 years. After 5 years. So after 5 years, what will happen to Raman? He'll be 5 years older, right? So the Raman's current age of R will become R plus 5. And Joy 3R will become 3R plus 5. Correct? So that is their age after 5 years. Now it says, after 5 years, sum of their ages is 52. That means if I add them, I should get 52, right? So after 5 years, if I add them, I should get 52. That means if I add these 2 things, then I should get 52 here. Is that okay? That is what is the question. So I get my equation here. Do you see? R plus 5 plus 3R plus 5 should be 52. Correct? So this is how I get my equation. So after 5 years, sum of their ages is 52. So now I got my equation, and that is R plus 5 plus 3R plus 5 equals to 52. Correct? Now I can solve it. R plus 3R is 4R. So I get 4R plus 5 plus 5 is 10 equals to 52. Now I want R, so I'll take away 10 from both sides. I say 4R plus 10 minus 10 equals to 52 minus 10. And 4R, 10 minus 10 is 0. 4R equals to 52 minus 10 is 42. And 52 minus 10 is 42. And so we get R is equal to 42 divided by 4. 42 divided by 4, which is 10.5 years. 10.5 years we get for R. So that is the present age of Raman, 10.5 years, and Joy will be 3 times this. Do you see that? So we get, well, Raman is 10.5 years old, right? And Joy will be 3 times this. So Joy is 3 times 10.5, right? Which gives me 3.5, 15 and 31 and a half years old. So we get Raman is 10 and a half years old and Joy is 31 and a half years old. Interesting, right? So sometimes you may get answers in decimal. What to do? These are just the numbers we are working with, correct? So that's how it is. So see, we have kind of defined our variables by saying present age of Raman is R. So let age of Raman be R, then Joy's age will be 3R. After 5 years, it will be R plus 5 and 3R plus 5, and sum of their ages, that means R plus 5 plus, that means we are adding these two, right? R plus 5 plus 3R plus 5 is 52. And then when we calculate, we get 10.5 or 10 and a half year old. Okay. And the other one is 31 and a half year old. Fine. So that is their current age, correct? So that is how we can solve these questions. I hope you understand. Thank you.